Welcome to Bioleam Help Desk. Our help desk is helping the student community to understand the different aspects of skill and research development. Today we will be discussing the scope of performing a UG or a PG research project. According to our Indian education system, many of the UG degrees and almost all of the PG degrees are demanding the students to perform a research project. Research is the integral part of every higher education. Research is required in both industrial and social aspects to uplift the society. The research and its development is the major influential driving force for economic development and living status of every member of the world. Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, which is one of the highest education in science and technology, also focuses on making the student perform research for a needed problem and expect the results to be useful for society. UG or PG is the starting point for emergence of a student to become a professional who may enter an industry or a higher education such as PhD. In both cases, the student should have the necessary skills to identify a research problem and to do necessary research to find a solution for such a problem. These researching skills not only are expected to help the students in the research-based industrial job but also in the real life to analyze varied parameters. It also helps them to develop new products, which they can commercialize through starting a business. On a whole, research opportunity is given to a student to make them avail a variety of opportunities that are available across sectors. Research prevails everywhere. Students can do research even using a computer with the internet. However, higher primary research experiments, especially in science and technology, require proper lab and mentorship to perform the same. Students can try their departmental facility to perform the research works. If the college department is not equipped with proper resources, students can try public and private research centers where proper facilities and mentorship is available. Students can prefer public research centers such as higher institutions and recognized research centers to perform their major project. However, there are many challenges associated with it. The seats for projects may be booked several months or years ago in a public institution. You may need a proper reference to enter the institution. Travel distances. Some institutions may also require you to pay. On account of these challenges prevailing, students can prefer private institutions to perform the research project. Students should be choosing a private research institution based on their research potency, their age and service, and the quality of infrastructure. We Bioleam are pioneers in providing skill and research development services to our clients. Since our beginning, we have inculcated researching abilities among our research program participants, which help them to move to various institutions with research jobs and to move for higher education overseas with more research knowledge. Apart from limiting students to one research laboratory of Bioleam, now we are expanding the opportunity for learners to perform the research preparation and research activities online and to enter private institutions where the students can perform the laboratory research part alone. Our Bioleam mentors help the students to frame and work on cutting-edge areas and to produce industry or social relevant research products. There are two different types of research projects that students are able to pursue in Bioleam, namely self-interest research program and cluster research program. If you are a student who has your own research concept and wants to perform the same under proper mentorship and with private institution support, you are able to do the same through our self-interest research program channel. If you are a student who do not have a research concept on your own but want to work on a research project which is important to the industry or society, and you have lesser practical skills and want to get help of unique-minded colleagues to work along with you, you can able to do the same through our cluster research program channel. We understand you might be having more queries. You can feel free to contact our academic counselors to know more about our research programs. Happy researching!